Okay, you guys, so we have a cute bob that comes to us from the Stylist. So this video is a continuation of my previous video, so stay tuned. I am going to be showing you guys 2 units in one, but can we just give it up for the hairline that comes on this one? Yes, sis, yes. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we have a wig that comes to us from Sam's Beauty. It is by the Stylist. The name of it is Sheree. This one does come with a 13x6 lace frontal, and the lace on this is HD and it is tinted. This video is a continuation of my previous video on the new unit from Sensational. So if you guys have not caught my review on this textured bob, please make sure you check in the description box below, because I'm trying to basically wig battle them so you can kind of see which one you would want to buy. So let's go ahead on and get into Miss Sheree. Like I said, the lace that comes on this is HD lace. This color that I have it in is going to be, I want to say BALAYAGE or BALAYAGE caramel. So the caramel is going to be underneath. What I'm showing you is both of the wigs up close on one another. So you do get texture with Sheree, but it is underneath, and then you get this permed yaki on the top. So when it sits over it, you don't really see the texture as much, but you can feel it. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look for Miss Sheree, and she is super cute. I like both wigs, but I will tell you guys that this one here does serve a different vibe. So if this is your first time joining me on the channel, thank y'all so much for pulling up on the sister. I do bring videos a couple times a week. I am a wig reviewer here on the YT, and I love what I do. So if you love wigs and you like to get different styles, different textures, different lengths, human hair, synthetic, whatever, you name it, it's going to be over here on the channel. So you guys consider subscribing to the channel, hit the subscription button, hit the bell and all, and you'll be notified every time I upload. Returning subscribers in YouTube, babes, hey girl, hey, how y'all doing? So let's get into today's slate. So today's wig comes to us from Sam's Beauty, and I did end up getting 2 wigs from them, different brands, but both of them were textured. So I did want to talk about both of them in the same video. If you have not watched my video from, I want to say Kyra, it's Kyra by Sensational. It is from their What Lace collection, 13x6. Go ahead and watch that. I will link it below. I will put the picture here on the side somewhere. So this one here is by the Stylist, and lately, if you've not been watching me on the channel, Sam's Beauty has been sending me a bunch of wigs from the Stylist, and I think I pretty much have this whole collection that is the invisible lace. Their lace does come, or the ones that I've gotten does come with the brown HD lace. They do come, I think, with a neutral one as well. All of them I've got have come with the brown. So the way I've remedied the brown lace, if it's too much for you, is I've been going in and I've been still adding a little bit of tint to lighten it. So I'll either add the spray from the Evelyn New York, or I'll go in with a little bit of my powder. You can probably use a little bit of foundation or something like that just to lighten it up. It does come brown, but if you put a little light spray on there just lightly, then it gives it just a little bit of lightness so that it'll blend in, for me at least, enough to, you know, be persuasive. So what I end up doing with this wig is just go ahead on and laying it down. I didn't really put any glue on this one or the last one. The last one was very textured. This one you get the texture, but it's underneath, and then they give you like a permed texture on top, so it's more sleek on top, and then you get the color underneath that has more of the texture that you can see it. So this one here did come with a bang. You can wear it like this, or you can wear it kind of flipped how she has it, where it kind of flips back. I like it like this, where it's not too aggressive. I did pretty much take the bang out of this side. I think that I had the flat iron on like too high. I had it on like 380, and I want to say that was probably too high for it. So it kind of like burned it just a little bit over here, but I straightened this side and pushed it behind my ear, and I like it like that better. Again, I really didn't use much spray on this. I went in with some of my gel and just went around my edges and just kind of played with it. All this is very soft. It's not hard or anything. Only place I used just a teeny tad bit of spray, and that was, like I said, up in here, and that was just to kind of lay it down just a little bit more, to lay the hairs down, not really to lay the wig down. The wig laid down really good by itself. Getting into pros and cons. So the only con I think I have with this wig is that, and the same one that I had with the last ones in here, they just don't fit me properly. I don't know if it's my head or if it's just a wig. I'm going to start to think it might be just a wig, because when I put on the one from Sensational, that one fit me perfectly. This one here, it seems one side or the other has a little bit too much down, and then it's kind of cocked back. So like I said, I don't know if it's my hair or what. So I do have a little bit of my hair, my natural edges sticking out right here, which is fine. Literally, it's like a piece. I'm good with that, because a lot of companies that I get wigs from, I end up having that little piece stick out. So all I did was just blend it in. You can't even tell on this side, and then on this side, same thing. I did get a little bit like right here, but again, went in here, I just made a little part and brought some hair down and made it soft. So this bang, you can pretty much do what you want to do with it. I was gonna curl it and like push it back. I think it's okay like this. I think like this, it is an everyday wig, definitely a great work wig. With it having a partner, you can do so many things with it. Getting into my pros, you can do so many things with it because of the partner. You can go on this side, that side, or you can maybe part it in the middle if you want. You can also pull it up. Hairline on this is really nice, even though I did have a little bit of issues with the cut or the way that the wig fit in the front. I still could pull the whole thing up if I wanted to, but I mean, I like it as the bob, so I think it sits really well. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 really quick. So that is it from this way, this angle. This is the back, and here is how I did it on this side. So as you see, it sits up really well. To me, this one here is a little bit longer than the last one. I think this one here, it's pushing 12 inches. It's not right at it, but it's definitely pushing 12 inches. And then these pieces in the front are definitely longer. The last wig, I want to say, had to be about 10 inches, and some pieces on it might have been even 8. It might have been 12, but I just kind of doubt it, because 12 usually sits pretty perfect on me. It sits right at my neckline, so that's why I said this one here seems like these pieces might be like 12, and then it gets to 10 in the back. Obviously this piece up here is pretty short and it's meant to be the bang, so you can wear it all where the bang is coming in the front, and you can cut it to where it's almost like a Chinese bang, or you can wear it to either side. Either way, I like it. I like the texture on this one. I definitely like the texture on the other one. Although you do get 2 textures with this one, I will say good job to the stylist for putting this one on top, so that, you know, it doesn't look too foolish or just too fake, where you have 2 different textures and then they just sit side by side and it just doesn't work. You can't tell. To me, they did it to give it a little bit more volume probably, and then to add the color. So I'm with them on that. So all in all, I like both wigs. Tell me which wig you like best. If you've not watched that video, go over there and watch it and see which one you like best. I'm on the fence. I like the color on the Sensational Kyra. I do like the little bit of texture on it. It is a little bit poofy. I'm okay with that, but once I see this one, I think this one here is a very natural density. It's definitely a lighter density than that one. It sits nice and flat. I didn't have to do much to it. So I mean, both of them I like. I don't know, I'm on the fence. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank y'all so much for catching the video today. Don't forget to subscribe. If you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.